The MTX TNP212D2 Subwoofer Package is an all-in-one solution for enhancing your car's audio system with powerful bass and clear sound. This package includes dual 12-inch subwoofers that deliver an impressive maximum power of 1,200 watts, ensuring an immersive audio experience. The durable construction of the subwoofer enclosure, made from solid MDF and covered in thick black carpet, provides a robust housing for the powerful sound system. Accompanying the subwoofers is a high-performance monoblock amplifier capable of delivering up to 1,200 watts peak power with features like adjustable crossovers and thermal protection. Installation is straightforward with the included 4-gauge amp installation wiring kit, which ensures secure and reliable connections for long-term use. The MTX TNP212D2 Subwoofer Package stands out for its comprehensive offering, combining quality components with ease of installation and high performance.